Forget everything you know about trains, because this changes the game. Inside this factory, something incredible is taking shape. Not just metal, not just machines, but a new definition of speed. Every second here matters. Every movement is calculated, every detail, flawless. This is the Shinkansen E10, built to push limits beyond imagination. At over 300 kilometers per hour, even the smallest mistake isn't small anymore. That's why every wire, every bolt, every system is tested again. Silence, precision, perfection, from raw steel to a machine that feels almost unreal. This isn't just a train being built. This is the future, coming at full speed.
When the first Shinkansen sliced through the Japanese countryside in 1964, active electromatic suspension, carbon fiber aerodynamics, a cabin sealed like an aircraft. The E10 doesn't nation. The Shinkansen network carries over 420,000 passengers daily. By 2030, the E10 The tolerances are within spec. Excellent. Proceed with production release.
But before it can carry a child's imagination at 360 km per hour, this train...
The journey of the world's fastest train begins in the red earth of Western Australia, where aluminium's raw ore... Open the tap! Steady! Steady! Control the flow! We've got it!
Every carbon fiber reel destined for the E10 nose cone undergoes 47 separate quality checks.
Seto Inland Sea, cargo of innovation. Watch them yield. The future passes here.
Before any billet enters production, it must prove itself. Coordinate measuring machines check dimensions.
The flow is impeccable.
Excellent.
この圧力を修正する必要がありますね。変更していますね。見てください。成功ですね。
Every Shinkansen is designed to protect its passengers through controlled deformation. The E10's aluminum frame absorbs
合考 Good job
この溶接線について確認させてくださいか。
これはまたし備品接合ではツールパスはこのように動きますか。
承知しました。
A single sidewall panel begins as 800 kilograms of billet. After CNC machining removes 90%.
Bring it down, slowly. Check the alignment. Hold it. Engage the clamps. Good alignment.
Car 3 assembly in progress.
Line 3, aligned with the green.
Got it. Rolling away the bubbles.
Breather cloth down. Bag is ready.
Everything beneath the passenger floor, brake systems, air suspension reservoirs, signal cables, auxiliary power, must
A wheel set axle must be round within 1 micron, 1/100th the thickness of a human hair.
Torque is set to 85. Almost there with the cable. Perfect. Looks good. Let's send it to testing.
The driver's cab is the nerve center of a vehicle carrying 1,300 passengers. If the primary computer fails, a secondary checking wiring numbers against the schematic. Pin 583 matches door control 4R. Confirmed.
Ground team, check car 4 left. Car 4 left. Verified. Connector secured. System check complete.
The E10's lighting system uses 16,000 individually addressable LED just color temperature.
Keep it steady. Guide them in. Almost there. Careful now. Locked. All systems green. Perfect. We're clear.
6 cars, 240 meters, $400 million. 18 months of labor by over 1,200 workers.
Emergency lighting test activated. Illumination level looks good. Checking second point. Reading 22 lux. Mark as pass.
Initiating brake sequence. Reading steady, 7 bar. Clamping force confirmed. System validated. Release sequence.
Door seal, nominal. Proceeding to window. Window seal, perfect pressure integrity. Test complete.
Deceleration normal.
Braking data acquired.
Within specification. Let's head to the high-speed track. ...360 kilometers per hour. At this speed, the E10 covers 100 meters every single second.
A Shinkansen train set will travel approximately 1.2 million kilometers before its first full teardown.
Sugoi! That's right! Come on in!
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors' concepts, then rewriting using AI to ensure originality. Videos and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.